Hi, took an indigo dyeing class today, and this is the hemp straw that is from China. They also weave it in Korea, and we dyed it with the indigo, and then we wrapped it. Well, actually, we did that. We wrapped it before we dyed it. That's of course. But I just want to show you how it looks. And it's like getting a Christmas present, right? When you open up your tie-dye, you have to let it dry completely before you open this. I don't know if it really worked. Let's see. To be gentle with it, because it didn't really work. Oh boy. See, it doesn't work because I guess the weave is too open. Anyway, okay. Well, it's not even completely dry. Oops. But the fibers are intact. It's not like cinnamon from the Philippines that breaks. This stuff is really strong. It's hemp straw. Alright. And then I did some hemp silk that I got from Envirotextile. This is Grey Goods, Grige. So it wasn't bleached, actually. And it was just natural tan color that they had woven. So let us take this apart. I had a great teacher. He's from Nigeria. He's from the Yoruba tribe. And it's so cool that we wrapped with pieces of raffia that you can get at an ordinary craft store like Michael's instead of rubber bands. So I'm going to do that in the future. He also said dental floss is good. And I wrap this tightly. You actually have to wrap it pretty tightly. If you don't wrap it tight enough, then it's going to not have the white parts. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. Come on. Oh, it's cool. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. So cool. It was only a 2-hour workshop, so I didn't really have much time to do stuff, but I want to try this again. Look at that. I love it. I love it. And then outside I have an eyelet shirt that I made. And then I have a piece of leather to show you, but I don't have it in my hand. I'll have to go get it. Okay, I'm back. And look who's here making a cameo. It's Moja. Hi. Moja. Okay, so here is the leather. This is super thin vegetable tan leather I got in Napa, California. It is only 2 to 3 ounces, so it's super thin. And here is my eyelet shirt, which I handmade this when I was in Korea. I had a dream about a white eyelet shirt. There's a white eyelet on the front and gray knit on the back, so I cut apart a shirt that was gray, and then kind of got stained, I guess, with coffee and tea and other stuff, maybe some yerba mate, which I love so much. So I decided to use it today to indigo dye it, and I kind of was at the tail end of the dye, so it didn't get a lot of dye, but that's okay. These are tied up with raffia, but they are still wet, so I can't take them apart yet, or it'll just bleed. I took one technique apart here. They're like worms. Here's the front. Aren't they cool? It's like a accordion pleat kind of thing. You fold it in half like this, and then you pleat it 1 inch. See? Can you see? Like that. And then you pull it down a little. I'm so glad I got this good camera. And then you wrap it with the raffia and knot it. And then look at how cool that is. I have a Korean dyeing book that I'm going to be referring to. I'm letting a friend of mine borrow it at the moment. And I have some notes from 1988 when I took a class at Rhode Island School of Design over the summer on shibori, the Japanese technique. And yeah, so I'm really excited. I want to do more of the leather dyeing. And I'm going to do a blog post. I should do that right away because while it's still fresh in my head and I have this video. Yeah, all right. I'm Jasmin Zorlu, and look at my hands. They're blue. Hey, that rhymes. And indigo is good for you. Did you know that? It's medicinal.